Hey guys, thank you for joining us again Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you how to run the cable for a dash camera on a Tesla Model X 2021. So this is similar to all the Model X. We run the cameras inside the trim in here. Now we find a lot of people having a bit of an issue how to actually access that and how to do it. It's not so simple, but it is a bit simple. The first thing we do, obviously, we cover here the screen. Anything that falls over, we don't want to, God forbid, make sure that nothing breaks. So first thing we have to remove is the cover around here. So the cover around here basically has four pins that are kind of locked in. Now a lot of people just push it and everything, and this seems like it's working. I find that it's very difficult to do that, and it's a lot of times what happens is you are getting, you can't seem to push it backwards or it doesn't get stuck. But in the back here, it's a little bit open all the time. So you can put a very small flat screwdriver and pull just one of the corners down. I'm gonna go from the back, so that way it's basically a little bit pulling it with my hand, and I'm putting the screwdriver in between there. And that will allow me to pull it down. So a little bit push it with the screw, no marking in the back, and then basically all the parts here the part just came down. Okay, so as you can see in here, it has, as you can see, kind of an angle forward. So you just come from the back with a small screwdriver, just pull it down a little bit, and it comes down, and that's it. So this part is done. Next thing we want to do, we're going to remove the mirror. So for the mirror, we're going to have basically we're going to twist the mirror in one of the directions, either left or right, doesn't matter which way. We're going to twist it from the top piece. I'm going to twist it gently, and it's going to turn out, up, a bit tricky. Okay, twist it out, and it comes out from its locking. Okay, so you can see here, this part came off. This one is basically locks into place. Okay, this locks into place into the spot in here. So I'm going to put this aside nicely, make sure it doesn't get scratched. Then we have two Torx screws in here. The number is T9, two small ones on the plastic. So there are four that you can see. Two of them are on the metal brackets. They do not need to be removed. Just the two on the plastic section. There's a plastic section that runs between the two sides. That ones only have to be removed. Okay, and then this whole piece is basically clipped in. So we're going to use a plastic popper just to take the clips out. So it just goes down very gently. Okay, as you can hear the clips comes out, other side. And the clips came down. Okay, so we have two holes in here. There are two locking clips on the top. This basically locks into them, and that's all it is. Now the last piece is removing the center channel in here. So we'll start from the start. There's one side in here that is inside kind of a tab, and this is where it becomes a bit tricky. You have to find a spot that will allow you to start taking it down. Okay, so I put a screwdriver in here, kind of a little bit pulled it down, and then my opening from this area, I can start seeing my channel. And I'm just gonna go step by step and open all the tabs that are holding the channel in place, and my channel will completely come down very slowly. Okay. Slow. And we have the channel completely off. Run the wires inside the channel, closes it back in, it just clips back into place, and that's how you run the front camera. From this point, you run it to the back. The running to the back is very simple because we have the center piece in here. If you fish it with a proper tool, you can fish it straight out without any stops, get to the back, run it between the grommet and the vehicle trunk. In regards to power, our power is in the driver kick panel. We have the power in the driver kick panel. We run the wire through the roof liner in here, nice and clean. Run the wire through our rubber in here, nice and clean. All inside, all hidden, and you won't see it. For more tutorial videos, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.